Hey, it's B. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm starting with a cuticle remover I got from a local drugstore. I started off with this finger, I buffed the nail surface and added a base coat. I'm taking this clear polygel and putting it in a dual form to get this real nice thin layer. The application gets easier every time. But I actually enjoy the nail forms much better than the dual forms, but these encapsulated things are much easier to do with dual forms. These stickers are water-based, so I'm just letting them sit in water a couple of seconds. Yeah, and it actually was that simple. Now I just add a little bit of glitter. Last layer of polygel. It's this beige nude color from my local salesman and it's produced by a company named IBCCC NDC. I didn't make the cuticle area thin enough, but all in all it was quite a success in my opinion. Next time I really want more sparkles, but I think they turned out pretty cute. I took quite a generous amount of the same nude color and I'm doing the nails as short as possible. And I actually forgot the base coat again. And you definitely want to remember to smooth out the underneath of the nails all the time because they're gonna look too bulky. Now do the filing to get the perfect smile line. The white part should come down to the middle of the nail. For the French tips, I'm using Modelone's white polygel. Pat the gel around, push the dual form to your nail and slowly slide it down. The white gel bulks up under your nails, so be sure to really even it out. This first thumb actually turned out the prettiest. In retrospect, I could have let them be squared. Just clip off everything that makes your filing easier. I went too hard on my right hand, you can see 2 fingers, the white part is really small, so I'm just covering it up with the same technique. I don't know if it's just me or I'm getting used to the polygel, but the gel seems so soft. Even one stroke with the file makes so much difference. Just clean off the excess dust, put on top coat and cure for 60 seconds. last step, of course, is cuticle oil to keep your skin moisturized. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!